Okay, I just got EnhancePic from AppSumo. Let's unbox this. First impression, super clean interface, feels premium already. Let's dive right in. Uploading a photo now. Wow, the preview loads instantly. No lag at all. I'm using a regular portrait shot for this test. Let's try the 10K resolution upscaling feature. Seriously, look at that detail. Every strand of hair is crisp. Zooming in, the skin texture looks totally natural. No weird artifacts or over-sharpening, which I hate. Switching to an architecture photo now. The lines are razor sharp, colors are vibrant. This would be perfect for real estate or product shots. Now, let's play with the effect controls. Everything is super intuitive. Just drag and see changes. You can fine-tune sharpness, clarity, and color balance. It's easy to undo or reset if you overdo it. Testing on a low-res image now, let's see the magic. Whoa, it restored lost details I didn't expect. Even text in the background is readable now. For social media creators, this is a game changer. Let's check how it handles graphic artwork. Colors pop, edges are super clean, ideal for merch designs. Trying a mousepad mock-up with my design. The print preview is crystal clear, no pixelation. I'm impressed by how fast it processes each image. No waiting around, just upload, tweak, and export. There's also a batch mode for multiple images, perfect for photographers or e-commerce sellers. Let's compare before and after side by side. The difference is night and day, so much sharper. Portraits, architecture, graphics, it handles everything well. I love that it doesn't make things look fake. The AI enhancement feels really natural, not overdone. If you need high-res prints, this is a must-have. It's also great for digital ads and online stores. No more blurry product images, everything looks pro. Honestly, I wish I had this tool sooner. It saves me hours editing in Photoshop. The AppSumo deal makes it super affordable right now. If you're a designer, photographer, or creator, don't miss this. EnhancePic just became my go-to for image upscaling. Grab it on AppSumo before the deal ends.